Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is currently 9:30 a.m. in the morning right now. It's freezing cold. We are in Washington DC because this is the most luxurious bus ticket you could get going to New York City from Washington DC. And today we are here, freezing in this cold. We are hustling right now because we are about to test this bus out and see if it is actually worth it. We're gonna take this all the way to New York and take you guys along with us through this journey. তোমাদেরকে নিয়ে যাবো ভাই এই জার্নিতে। দেখি এই বাস এত হাইপ এত দামি কি actually worth it নাকি। This is the snack area. They even have their own fancy little coffee machine. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Look, they have their own private little snack area which you do not get in any bus. And they even have like a drinks fridge right over here. This is our bus attendant. So yeah, this is how it is, how the bus looks from the back. And let's go into the bathroom. So, first thoughts. Very quiet in here compared to the outside. Well, at least it was quieter. But the motion here is crazy. You can see the bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom. It's pretty clean right now. That's why I decided to come in right now and do the video because I don't want to show you guys the bathroom once it's dirty. This is how clean it is. It's just Purell on the floor. Nothing. So look who I ran into. I think this is the most comfortable bus I've ever been on. Like, look at this. Look at the leg room right here. You got the leg room going. You can work on your laptop. You go ahead. Yeah, that's right. Put your laptop here. You can work. They even got like their outlet. They got USB and they got Type C, which a lot of places don't have. And the seats right here, bro. These are motion sensing seats. Yeah, they move with the ground. They move. Look at the seats. Captures maybe this one, yeah. It's gonna do like a little bounce back when it's a pump. They got a cup holder. They got space for you to put your stuff here. Oh, they also got free Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi. And they got a menu of a lot of delicious stuff that you can order. Get a good look at it. That's pretty much it, bro. I'm probably gonna knock out in like 5 minutes because I'm
Tell them about the hardwood floors.
Oh, you guys can look at the floors. It's really like, I don't know what to say, bro. It's just really nice.
And the bathroom is super clean.
You showed in the bathroom?
Yo,
I just wanna say like, these seats, like, there's no other way for me to tell you guys. Like, you guys need to come sit and experience this for yourself. Like, that's how comfy it is. It feels like a business class or like a first class plane ticket in a bus, which is a perfect combination because who likes traveling in the plane? Right. So whenever we travel on the bus, I like working when I'm traveling because I don't like wasting time. But usually when we do travel, the internet on the buses and stuff, it's like just the bare minimum. It's there to get you through the day, like maybe stream a little bit and stuff, but right now I'm doing everything I can and it's like using the Wi-Fi at my house. Look at the internet speed. Let me test it for you guys, right? Look at the internet speed. It's connecting, give it a little bit, but once you guys see the results, it's crazy how fast this works. Look at the speed. That's house internet level speed, right? 27 Mbps, I mean it's going up. Yeah, that's crazy. 113 Mbps is crazy for Wi-Fi on the bus. Also, even though the Wi-Fi is good, the bus is crazy. Never forget to stay safe when you're using public Wi-Fi. Use Surfshark VPN. Use code LIFE2 to get 83% off and 3 months extra on your subscription. But yeah, this is wild. Look at the internet speed. 113 downloads, 13 Mbps upload. For a bus, I don't know. This is crazy. What do you have to say to that? think that's pretty crazy, but that's literally what we get like at the house, right?
Yeah.
130 Mbps.
You guys hear the seat, right? It is currently on the bus. Surprisingly, the bus got us to New York from DC in around 3 That's the bus. We're right here. We're gonna walk towards the train and go home from there. Right. 또 거기서 넘어들 보고 A1 service. Amazing. college가 다음에 사람들 빌려요. 이제 bus. Popular building 처럼을 দেখাই তোমাদেরকে bus. একটা জিনিস বলবো আমার জীবনে বাসে আমি অনেক ট্রাভেল করছি ইটস ভেরি কোল্ড দ্যাটস হোয়াই আই হুডি অন আমি বাসে আমি সাহেবের সাথে অনেক আগে ট্রাভেল করছি বাস নিয়ে আমরা এত কমফর্টেবল বাস আমি জীবনেও দেখিনি সাহেবও ছিল ইট ওয়াজ সো কমফর্টেবল ওই যে ভেসেল দ্যাটস দ্য ভেসেল বেসিক্যালি ওটা সুন্দর ইটস লাইক এন আইকনিক কি বলবো জায়গা কলেজেদের সাজার আছে এটা But the vessel has a very dark story behind it. You guys know close heading snake Canada. We're gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, Karan Hamadir. Vlog out there is big things coming inshallah for the next few vlogs. Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I hope you guys enjoyed your vlog from the jet, the bus. It was something we're trying to bring out of our comfort zone and from some places we've never filmed in. For example, the bus was one of those places. But yeah, we'll end the video here for now, and I'll pick it up tomorrow. You guys take care, like and share, and subscribe. It was finally time to taste test the coffee. Now the coffee was kind of different because it was made on the go while we were on the road, and it cost $4, but it was justified, or at least to me it was justified because you know the convenience of having coffee on the bus, and the coffee itself wasn't the worst. It was a solid 3 out of 5 on the rating scale, so yeah, not bad.